Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Extreme in a gang of five. In a Anjo party the other day. You in a Anjo party the other day. I do what me no know. Look how much people me and them catch up. When that person catch up, you know, me keeping at arm's length, you know. Yeah, me done. Glamour. After me done. When you tell him, man, he go suck him mother. And me I say, no, man. That mean you really vex this morning. Because when Missy Andrew comment, that sound like him a banter. That sound like a banter, Andrew a banter, and just a banter, you get me? We do this thing, on this thing, and I say we are banter each other and them something there. And me I say, wait, you really, really gone so far, you deal with him coarse or so pussy, him a batty man, everything that his body call Andrew this morning. Everything that is Danny, boy, me you did argue, you know. Me you did argue already, you know. And when me you argue, you know what you do? You send somebody to pretend like some a bad man and say them a come to me and this and that and them knows what. And me just love it and me laugh. Danny, ease yourself. Hey, and you not have to look upon you and touch you. Because when you do this smiling, it hurt a lot of people. It hurt a lot of people. I mean, no, Andrew not gonna look upon you and Andrew not gonna answer. Andrew not gonna answer you. That is so wrong when you do this, man. And if you cuss, you cuss, but boy, go back with your banter and everything. But if you do that and deal with Andrew, so you know, so no woman never come out and say Andrew suck pussy. No woman never come out and say Andrew suck pussy. Then you call Juka name. What Juka have to do with it? What Juka have to do with it? Juka don't have nothing to do with this. You call Juka name for what? Why you call Juka name? You and Andrew and Ropes have nothing on our banter and banter and banter. Why Juka name call? Juka name they have to call. If I want woman, did I cuss on me, your woman I go all over the place and I thought them things are fine. But Daniel really, really get up and go call Juka name in baby mother. Oh, then everybody knows say he must say Juka dance, whatever. Juka I love him wine and him a fuck Juka. That fish will say Andrew a fuck enough girl. That for mean say Andrew a fuck enough girl. Andrew no get up and go and he might do him thing where might do. Yet still, but some people might not understand. Everybody, nobody is perfect, but yet still, him have this little aura with people. Him get drawn to people, get drawn to him because of his personality. Somebody can get drawn to a person because of personality. You might know deeper because you're Angela close, as to what you say. But if you know what, if you want to say something to him, like because of that comment that we made this morning, a banter for banter. But this morning your banter gone too deep, like you're cuss. Your banter going too deep, like you're cuss, Danny. For real. Me notice uno big people in a family age group, uno always get up and a cuss the little pitney them. All around in a age group, and who I got 70 come down straight to 40 blood clot 5. Uno a curse and a war for this blood clot space. And one uno not relevant now in a dance hall. And uno forgot say bumbo clot pitney them where well we fuck and breed and get pitney. From and them a 20 and then I go 30. Uno forgot say them to enjoy bumbo rascal dance hall too. Dance hall done for uno. Dance all pussy clat done for uno. Uno cocky drop, uno balls drop, uno pussy tongue drop, every blood clot thing pa uno drop. Left out a bumbo clat dance all to you little young pitney them. Left out a dance and leave the little pity them make they enjoy them blood clots. Yeah, me tired of the old people and blood clot cuss. And the little pity them not cuss. We don't give them a space. We don't give them a space, make them get them bumper clot life to live. Every blood clot deal no come across who this and who that. And me said China who we not have said blood clot Chen, yes. He look up at them come and say for them blood clot Chen now. For them China Mali and blood clot gyal skin out and get chop and blood clot. We no can't show one gyal fling like Marvin the Beast. We no can't do that sitting there. We no give the young people the picking them a chance now. We no give the young people them a chance now. Bumbo clot man. Now what we have to do? We at 48 now. Me there, me lacking a for me job what me I do. I make sure some me I get money every blood clot week. If you don't have no NI number, or if you don't feel like something, we no go do one business then. Go fill up on the out of blood clot drugs and sell it then. Loud the little pity them now make them do dance hall. You know if I fight up blood clot dance hall and make it a look like the dance hall no nice. Dance hall still blood clot nice. Dance hall still pussy clot nice. Because you know what? You look pity them enjoy it same way. Them enjoy it. You know, all people now blood clot enjoy it because you know jealous. So every bumper ass clot by the you see that dance. When you better uno when you don't have full of money a splash and you never did know if you make you say blood clot and then you come and take out the problem for the people then we are the better uno. And no, if you know all people who want DJ and of course, and I say, I mean, sure, and DJ, I mean, sure, and I did. Now, the advice note, then when me here come out, you don't come talk about, say, you know, feel supposed to have DJ. And when you say, you know, fair DJ, what? Eh? Nobody don't want to hold people. You know, hand can't turn the blood clot down. You know, hand can't go second fast because arthritis is like pussy clot. You know, hand can't do it. You know, they done out of dance hall. You come out. Come out of dance hall. If you no make no legacy in a dancer, come out a blood clot dancer. That's just that. You know spoil it up. All people alone a spoil up dancer. The whole of young people them enjoy themselves. You know not even give young people them a chance. Move on the blood clot and come out of it. You know go find something to do. But that blood clot trees and pick out grey out on the blood clot balls off on the pussy. You know stop war over dancer man. Bumper clot a minute to now. Wow, 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 wow. If a bumper clot, you like dancehall. Dancehall. Bumper clot, man. Every day, sir. Look, all right. Andrew, everybody, all right. Everybody take tea to Andrew first. Every young people, old people, whatever. Them take a tea, take a liking to him. Don't you know what say in blood clot arm? Everything, this, everything. I know everything on the can't put the blame on. Sometimes, you know, me notice with all some picnic too. You when notice with some picnic, that person let me do this. I saw someone on the song. And that person they stop my progress. Nobody no stop on no blood clot progress. So me tell you something. You see if God in a no get up and do what you want to do. Someone no sing away and say God send one good man come for me. And when you no look no sing on no blood clot house and can't get man. And then you say this and that and the man no want me. And who no go look a man. You never go out there and present yourself properly. Somehow you don't respect on a blood clot self because you know nasty and dirty. You don't feel like it change. If you don't feel like so you dirty from back then, change your ways, you know reach 45 and go up. You know change your blood clot ways. Say if you don't find man for blood clot sickle with different one sickle. Somehow you can't live without a blood clot man. So somehow you get up and say, me have to have a man to make my life complete. No, I know so it go. Put number one first and look in the mirror and then you start out to the blood clot there. Stop blaming people for no dirty life, no workless life, no nasty life, or anything you no want blood clot doing. Right now, life is what you make it and who no do no life so. Who no do no blood clot life so. Who no stop blaming blood clot people. Who no never know so who no dash for champagne and then what you say Andrew Fresh keep dance and Andrew Fresh keep that's one thing we're wrong with. Andrew Fresh keep dance, and when he keep dancing, dance always full. Because this and that and them knows what. Come on, man. Him the on same platform when me stop that dance. I don't go promoting dance where in where favor for favor. And next man come in there and he say, yeah, star. And the man talk, him big up the man dance and more and more. The more people go film dance, the more and more and big up people and that's I feel love sure. Then remember you used to get big up too. You used to get big up to Danny Best in that place. What happened? You know the panda radar there against star. Take time slide off now. Take time slide off, man. Time slider. Stop it, man. You know, stop it. Yeah, it sounds like jealousy. Because it was banter at first. And you did you say, no, you then I video and say, oh, you said gang of five and you not call no name. For sure you say, boy, I stay far from the phone, you know. Because most sound can't talk or not do, you know. When we watch all this sitting them, I feel say, I really this Danny step on him live this morning. I can't believe it. Something must have take Danny make him say that on him live. Let me tell you something. Girl, Andrew can't blacklist me. You want me tell you Andrew can't blacklist me? Me no do dancehall again. Me come out of dancehall. Girl or boy behind that fake page there. Me come out of dancehall.